I think we are live. New Year 2025. We are on 31st today. I think a great day to end the year. Markets are doing fairly all right. We'll talk about the upcoming rebalance. I would like to, of course, first wish you very advance Happy New Year wishes. I'm sure 2026 will be much brighter, stronger, and rewarding देन इट वाज 2025. सो हम लोग, मुझे याद है जब हम लास्ट ईयर 2025 के स्टार्ट पे लाइव किए थे. 2024 अक्टूबर वाज वेयर वी वाज सीइंग पीक. आई होप मेरा आवाज आ रहा हो. प्रभजोत सिंह जी कंफर्म कर दीजिए. थोड़ा लाइव आने में टाइम लगा. देयर वाज सम यूट्यूब स्ट्रीमिंग एरर, सो वो मैं आ नहीं पा रहा था. सो आई होप कि अब आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं. होपफुली आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं. मैं ये याद कर रहा था कि जब हम लास्ट ईयर लाइव हुए थे 2025 के स्टार्ट में, और हमने एक 24 का एक पूरा साल देखा था विद ट्रिमेंडस काइंड ऑफ ग्रेट रिटर्न्स एंड ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटीज अक्रॉस अक्रॉस सेक्टर्स, राइट. वहां पे ऐसा नहीं था कि यही सेक्टर में मूवमेंट है. इट वाज so much well generated over the last 4 years, right after COVID. And we are with say you all are with us from 2023 November. और हमने वो जर्नी देखी थी पिछले 1.5 साल की. was very beautiful. 2025 जब हमने स्टार्ट किया था तो we all were slightly kind of worried about the earnings which started to degrade right after Q2 Q3. And then जब हम Q3 एक तरीके से एंटर हुए थे, जनवरी एंटर हुए थे, then we were स्लाइटली वरीड क्या होगा. दिसंबर में एक अच्छी हल्की सी हमें आईटी ने एक फिर से एक एक कहते हैं कि एक हमें एक होप दिया था कि आईटी सेक्टर रियली आउट परफॉर्म लास्ट दिसंबर, एंड अदर सेक्टर्स वर ऑफ कोर्स वर वीकनिंग फ्रॉम अक्टूबर. बट जैसे जैन आया, आई टेल यू, जनवरी फरवरी मार्च, आई एम श्योर you all do not want to remember last Jan, Feb, March. It was those worst months in performance, in the results, earnings which were coming across mutual funds, across small cases, across, I'll say, PMSs. It was so difficult. Jan, Feb, March was really difficult. I believe 2026 is going to be much brighter, stronger, rewarding than the last year for sure. We of course have already started to see good earnings which have started to already flow in the last quarter. And once we start seeing results right in the next 15-20 days of October, November, December quarter, you will see how different they would be from the last year. So हम on ground देख रहे हैं consumption की जो story है, जो कि हमारी anyhow स्ट्रक्चरली इंटैक्ट है. वहां पे कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं आया. इतना इशू हुआ फेड रेट्स के अराउंड, आई मीन एंड यूएस टैरिफ. सो आई मीन बोथ थिंग्स फॉर द एंटायर यूएस थिंग, वेदर इट इज डॉलर इंडेक्स टू रुपी weakening, to crude oil in one direction falling, to tariffs at a kind of unbelievable numbers, and I'll say Fed anticipation की रेट कट होगा नहीं होगा. सब कुछ देखा हमने, एंड वी हैव सीन ऑफ कोर्स ऑल दैट, ऑफ कोर्स द वॉर्स, द इलेक्शंस, एंड क्या क्या नहीं देखा. आई थिंक सच्चा सच्चा ईयर ऑफ लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग. So बहुत मजा आया. I think I'll say 25 was really learning for Golfi as a research house as well. We really worked upon so many things internally to make sure that we hire right talent, we hire right systems, we have the right infrastructure, we have the right processing capacity and data churning, intelligence. We hired the best of minds. We continued improving, and I'm very sure that you will see all that result in 2026, starting from tomorrow. Because tomorrow we have rebalances coming, and markets अभी थोड़े से flat and ठंडे रहते हैं, right, in December last and first week of January, for the fact that कुछ ऐसा institutional contribution नहीं रहता, कम छोटे numbers आते हैं. And that is the time where, and I am very happy to see how Golfi users have embraced this entire kind of tough period. So abhi to I think I'm sure that the things will be much brighter, and I'll say that कल जो rebalance आ रहे हैं, कल और परसों जो rebalances आ रहे हैं, I know you all in the new year mood and festive mood, so उसे continue रखिए. लेकिन जो भी rebalance आए from tomorrow to say next week, Monday, Tuesday, make sure that you are up on it. You are taking those so that you are aligned to your strategies more closely. I wouldn't want to name strategies, but multi-asset strategy would continue to be the talk of the town. You all know that how balanced multi-asset strategy has done really well in the last year, right? It has outperformed every other broad market. So that strategy would continue to be the, I think, a great strategy to be in because of the nature of how 2025 was. And जब market घूमते हैं ना नीचे से, आपको पता है कि जब मार पड़ती है तो सबसे पहले मिड एंड लार्ज की मार पड़ती है एंड देन लार्ज कैप्स की मार पड़ती है, राइट लास्ट में. दैट्स व्हाई यू सी हाउ मिड एंड स्मॉल कैप हैज रियली टुक अ बीटिंग वर्सेस लार्ज कैप लाइक निफ्टी. बट जब पैसा वापस आता है ना तो उल्टा होता है, तो मिड एंड स्मॉल में पहले नहीं आता, लार्ज में पहले आता है. मतलब लार्ज से जाता भी लास्ट में और आता भी पहले है बिकॉज ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशनल मनी. एंड देयरफॉर यू वुड like to have a portfolio, a basket with your say high volatile strategies like alpha momentum to have a balanced multi-asset strategy, which is a great combination. और एक और चीज बहुत अच्छी हुई last year with lot of you who moved to a new strategy to multi-factor strategies where you let us decide which factors have a stronger role to play in the market cycle, whether it is quality, value, momentum, volatility. So आपने multi factor जो बहुत अच्छा from last now, if you see now 6 months now, 3 months now, really good, right, in terms of doing justice to the so both balanced multi-asset and multi-factor are the great choices. Alpha blend, market life is saying that it is down, and I really feel for alpha blend, for sure. I mean, I am with you because alpha blend by design was very much into small cap. It was nearly 100% small cap all this while, and small cap have gone down 40-50%. And that is where, since it's the only basket which is all cap basket with us, right, which is the entire Nifty 750, usually the strategy statistically also go more towards small cap by design, and that is where addition of capital, because the only thing which we really take care is the quality of the franchise. If the company is good, balance sheet is good, we want to give it some time to rebalance as well. We have done the same thing for last time as well, where we have skipped rebalance. So I think what you are asking, ओल्ड बार में से अब रिबैलेंस करे. सर आपके अल्फा ब्लेंड का न्यू बास्केट इन नवंबर रिबैलेंस से इतना डाउन है, ओल्ड बास्केट अल्फा ब्लेंड से अब रिबैलेंस करे जाना. आई थिंक ही इज आस्किंग दैट रिबैलेंस होगा. सो देयर आर थ्री model driven baskets we have, which is balanced multi-asset, which is multi-factor, and momentum trend. Usually they go with a cycle of a fixed date rebalance because that's how we run the models. Alpha blend is more of a discretionary, growth and value is more of a discretionary, India wealth theme is more of a discretionary, which means we of course give a lot of importance to the underlying company, the balance sheet, and the rebalance there is tilted more towards if the company's fundamentals are deteriorating, right, more than the price, right. अगर प्राइस नीचे जा भी रहा है और कंपनीज के फंडामेंटल डिटोरेट नहीं हो रहे हैं, जैसे हमारे कुछ ऑटो कंपोनेंट्स कंपनीज हैं उसके अंदर, then we usually keep it. I know that it brings pain by drawdowns, but that's how the nature of that. That's why अगर आपके पास alpha blend जैसा basket है, so it would be really wise for you to add balance multi-asset as addition to your so that you can get the benefit of large cap movement and the metals movement with you along with alpha as a strategy. बात करते हैं कि अपकमिंग रिबैलेंस कौन कौन से आ रहे हैं, तो मैं आपको एक बार क्विकली सिस्टम से ही दिखाता हूँ, सो दैट आई मीन सिस्टम में ही बताता हूँ. अच्छा, मैं ये मीटिंग को शॉर्ट रखूंगा. माय मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव वाज टू जस्ट कम ऑनलाइन एज आर आई मीन आर alternate Wednesday kind of Wednesday live, and the main idea was to wish you a very advanced happy new year. I am sure most of you are off. Markets are not off, so we are not off, but I'm sure a lot of you who are in corporate setups are off tomorrow. So make sure that enjoy good rest. I mean, good what you call good fun tonight, and start your day well. So I see multi-factor is planned to be rebalanced pretty soon. Today, tomorrow. So that's the I'll say immediate rebalance. So multi-factor is getting rebalanced. In case you are planning multi-factor strategies to be your journey in Unity 6, great time to kind of add capital or take a fresh investment into this strategy. And I'll say that's the immediate one which is coming. And uh, yeah, and then of course alpha was skipped for. We will see if there is a need for alpha ad hoc rebalance early next week. So there's only one I'll say, and then yeah, India wealth wave is also getting a kind of review right now. So you might see some weightage change there as well. So from an immediate basis, you will see only multi-factor basket as an immediate rebalance, and in the next week you will see when a lot of data will start coming, a lot of FIs, FDI data will start coming next week. Post fifth, you will start seeing a lot of other baskets also getting aligned. So that's the purpose. I want to keep it short, guys, unless you have questions. And I know it's a short meeting. I am trying to do a two-frame um, uh, pattern on YouTube Live, so it gives me a 16 by 9 widescreen and also gives me a short 4 by 3 short window. So I have to sit, I think, here so that I can come on that frame as well. So yeah, I think enjoy your holidays. Expecting a much better, stronger market in 2026. I will say that worst could be behind us on mid cap, and we would start to, it's a bottom up market, which means you have to be very careful in what you pick. And I think riding sectoral moves would give us some additional buffer, some additional alpha to try to give some push to your baskets by making sure that we are in the right sectors. The sectors which have tailwind, the sectors which have government support, the sectors which have a lot of inflows coming. So that's what we would do as part of our work here. So that's all I think from my side. Any questions, guys? I'll wait for a few seconds. Yeah, just don't see if I can. Let me just see. I'm only checking studio, so it would be good to see if I am also coming live. I mean, it will be good to see me live and hear me out myself to by checking whether I'm really live. So unless I hear myself, I still feel that no, I don't know whether I'm live or not. So not many of you are watching. I know you're all in holiday mood, but good that it was a good catch up to have. So thank you so much for taking out time to come and watch and join me. People have questions I see in community where they're asking some target and stop loss levels in our small case baskets. It doesn't work this way. So if you're our advisory client, where we give individual stock recommendation, which comes with its own research report and a target and a stop loss as per the requirement, model portfolio does not take into account individual company stop loss sector, right? It is a model. It's a model. It's a portfolio, model portfolio. So there is no we can't send you a stop loss target level of individual companies when we manage it as a portfolio. Of course, if you get those companies as part of individual advisory side of the business, or on if you are a subscriber of our advisory, of course you will get all the details individually as well. All right, guys, good, nice catch up, and thank you so much for watching. I'll stop the call now.